Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I have a special package that I have ordered and I would like to open with all of you guys. This is a case that I ordered probably about like a month and a half ago to 2 months ago. It was on pre-order at the time, so that's why I'm just getting it now. It actually arrived yesterday, but I wasn't in town to do this with you guys. So this is a case that has been designed by the YouTuber Philip Coroy, also known as EverythingApplePro. His brand is Phone Rebel. This is not a sponsored video, so I don't know why you think that since I only have like 10 subscribers right now. I'm just opening this just for the fun of it. I bought this with my own money. I will link his YouTube channel down below so you can go check him out. I love him, been with him for 2 years now. Love his content. Highly suggest you go watch him. And then I'll also put the website for the Phone Rebel case. He has 3 different versions. He has Crystal, he has Frosted, and then he has the Rebel series, which is a carbon fiber. Let's open it together. So I'm just gonna put my phone to the side. Oh yeah, so this is my iPhone SE, second generation that was given to me through the giveaway if you've seen that video. This is a D-Brand skin partnership with Jerry Rig Everything and D-Brand for the Teardown Skins. I can link these down below also if you want to get one for your phone, for your tablet, for your computer, whatever you want. They have many different types, so I will link that down below. Let's get into this. See if we can get through the tape. Okay. See, is that open? Okay, well here's the case. So I have got the Crystal series, which is just your clear plastic look to it. The Frosted series has the same texture as the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. If you have ever used one of those or handled one of those, you'll see it has like a frosted glass feel to it. So that's what the Frosted one is like. If you were wondering what I meant by frosted, that's what I meant. But this is just the Crystal series because I really love the look of my iPhone and I really love the look of this D-Brand skin, so I want to kind of show that off to the world. I got the Crystal. Let's just open it up here. Is there one at the top? Let's see if I'm opening this correctly. Let's see, there's more information on the back. I'll just go over it briefly with you guys. This is kind of what the case looks like. You can see it has open sides, so it's kind of, you feel like you're holding your phone and you're not wearing a case. It has bumpers around the tops and bottom so that if you drop your phone, it's not going to break. It has anti-shock bumper linings. It has anti-yellowing plastic on the back, which is nice. It's wireless charging compatible. And on the inside, it actually comes with a screen protector and side protectors. So the side protectors are little like 3M clear stickers that you can stick on the side of your phone, kind of here, if you don't want to scratch up your phone. And also, it's scratch-resistant material, which is really nice. So let's pull out this case. Oh man, that just looks so clean. I love it. Here's the case. It comes in this nice little holding container. You can see that blue lining here. That is the shock absorbent pads. You can see it in the corners here and in the corner here. You can see that. Oh, this just looks so nice. Nice solid, very solid feeling. You can see it has bumpers kind of on the sides here. Not sure if you can see the raised raised edge, but on the corners here it has little bumpers, has a little Phone Rebel logo at the bottom. It just looks so nice. Just gonna put that off to the side. Let's kind of go through what we have in the packaging here. Okay, nice solid packaging. So you have, of course, the tempered glass screen protector. I probably don't need to use right now as I have one on my phone currently. But if I ever break the one that's on my phone, I will definitely put this one on. All the stuff you would need to apply your screen protector. Everything is nicely branded as Phone Rebel. And then in here, we have our stickers. So you'll see the Phone Rebel logo on the side is actually just a thing to protect the adhesive. It's not going to be there when you put it on your phone. It'll be clear, it'll be fully clear. You'll be able to feel it, but you know, at a glance, you won't be able to see that it's there. But these are just protective 3M stickers, and you have your guide stickers on the side there. Okay, so that is what you have in the box. Very well built box, and everything in here feels like very good quality. Again, the website will be linked below so that you guys can go check it out and, you know, buy one if you want. They are on kind of backed up in the orders as of right now because of the whole, you know, coronavirus thing. So that's why it took my case around 20-ish days to get here. So let's just slide it into the case. Very easy installation. Look at that. It just looks so nice and I love it. You can feel the sides of your phone, but at the same time, it definitely feels super secure. I will, if you guys want, I can do kind of a 1 month, like after a month of use, do a review on it to see what my opinions are. Or if you don't want it to be a month later, I can do it after a week and a half. I can just kind of give you guys an update, but it feels super secure. I'm definitely looking forward to it. It does add some weight to your phone because this is technically it is a bulkier case. If it was fully sided, this would be considered a bulky case, but it's not. It has the open sides, which just feels amazing, and it has the nice lowered bottoms and top so that, you know, you can still access your home button very easily, but then it has a nice little bumper, little ridge, whatever you like to call it, so that hopefully, you know, it doesn't touch the screen. It feels pretty solid. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but from dropping it from where I'm sitting, I can definitely see, you know, the shock absorbent. I can even feel it just doing that. I can feel the shock absorbent padding and stuff on the inside doing its thing. Yeah, no, I mean, this isn't a super hard surface, but just from dropping it a few times, there's no scuffs or anything. So I will give you guys an update in about a week. If you want to see that, leave a comment down below and give me your opinion on the case. If you happen to buy one, you know, shout me out on Instagram. Just tag me in a photo what your feelings are towards this case, what you like, what you don't like. I think I'm gonna like this case, but you know, if you buy it and you're like, you know what, this case just isn't for me, they do have a really good return policy. You'll get a full refund if you return it within 14 days of delivery. So if you for some reason don't like it, you can contact them, return it, and get your full refund, which is really nice. This isn't a cheap case, 50 bucks Canadian. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't like it, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you didn't like. I can work to make it better. If you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you really like this video, you know, you could share with your friends, with your family. I have many more videos to come, so I'm looking forward to, you know, in the future. I have a fun time doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Whoops, my mic fell down.